Hey y'all, hey, it's Kiana from Kiana Marie Studio, and I am back again with another cozy journal, art journal with me today. So, today we will be doing a laundry room, and this theme is black, red, um, and white. So, as you can see, I am laying down this floor. Now, I tried a new thing and I created this sketchbook of sorts for good notes, and I kind of made it look like a sketchbook, right? A long sketchbook. So I said, well, let me try to do a spread in here. Um, I like it and I don't like it. I don't like it because I can't put the images all the way to the edge because of the paper look. So this will probably be my one and only time using that. I'll just use the finish spreads and I'll put them in here and I will do the actual spread somewhere else. So, anyway, now I am using a new baseboard. So, we have the dark wood. I call it black, but it could be a dark brown. So, that's what we're doing here. And as you can see, I'm going to be messing with this a little bit to try to get it to the edge of the page. So, that's that part that I'm not too fond of. So, we definitely will not be using this sketchbook for creating, at least for recording and creating spreads. I'll do that on a different type of page. I've just been trying to get proportions right, and I don't know if I'm overthinking the process or if there's a formula, but there's a spread that I recorded and you can't see the complete bottom of it, and I'm like, well, man, what am I doing? But yeah. So anywho, I'm just gonna try to get this proportioned and at least lined up a bit just so it can look good. And I'm done with that. So next we're going to move on to the wallpaper. And this is a pattern I created, I think it was in Mid Journey. Just asked for a pattern of a red and white damask. And that's what it came up with. So that's what I'll use. And then this bundle, it has, I think it has 53 images. Let me double check. Let me see. It's just a basic, your basic laundry room area, but cozy, right? So let me see. I wanted to see how many files are in here. So there are, looks like 58. I mean, 56 items in this kit. Okay. And then I do also have some new crown molding to go with this kit too in the dark color. Just wanted to do like a dark wood room, and a laundry room is a good spot for that. So yeah, this is a 56 piece kit and it has, let me see, we have about 6 wallpapers in different colors and variations with black and gold and like a gold, gray, blue, and then a mosaic. Um, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rugs. Y'all gonna love the rugs because those could be used anywhere. There's some newer type of plants in there. I mean, all plant looks the same, but and yeah, and the rest of the stuff you see in this walkthrough. So those are some windows that I created. I kind of wanted a night feel, so I like those. Those came in clutch. And then we have our drapes, our curtains. Now, I was having the hardest time getting these curtains to render the way my mind saw them. And I was overcomplicating things, asking for kitchen drapes, bathroom drapes, laundry room drapes. It's a black curtains, right? Clip art style. And then I ended up getting what I wanted. So this shelving, I actually deconstructed a um, closet system, right? And I learned that trick from Planner Girl Meek in one of her spreads she had deconstructed. Um, some shelving that she did for a kitchen spread. So that was good. And I'm literally deconstructed the whole closet thing. So that was one piece. And then I removed the middle in Photoshop, put the washer and dryer in there, and then the side ones I shrunk down a bit. I added new hardware, and then I pushed back the baseboard of it to kind of give it like a indented look. And then there you go, washer cover. What do y'all call that thing? Because I don't have a formal one on my washer and dryer, but what is it actually called? A washer and dryer cabinet cover? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up that on Pinterest because I'm sure there's a word for it, a proper word. So I made that sign, all the art. You see, of course, I made that. I asked for something else. Funny story with the girls. You'll see when I bring them in a little later. But I asked for something else and it gave me that. And I was like, okay, whatever. I can work with it. It matches the theme. So these are some new um, potted plants. One of these days, I'm going to write a script or at least put down some notes on certain things because I could not tell you the name of these plants. There's a name for them. I know there is, but I don't know them. Plant's a plant to me. As long as it purifies my air and looks pretty, I'm okay. And I keep it alive, right? Okay, so what are we grabbing now? Yep, the table. I should have made a dark wood table, but I kind of like it because it's playing off of the flower pots, the plant pots. So that kind of, it's like things work themselves out without me thinking about it. Just I don't know. I think I'm a to my own horn. I kind of have a touch for things because that wasn't planned, but look, it kind of works. Kind of. Yeah, but I definitely won't be creating scenes in the sketchbook. I'll just place the finished scenes in there because I need to use the edges for a lot of stuff. And that's a pile of clothes. I don't know if they're dirty or clean. If they're on the floor right now, they're dirty. I did actually end up moving them too. You'll see when well, I don't think it's in this video, but I did it after the fact. And then we have our basket of actual dirty clothes. Or are they clean? I don't know. No, everything in here is clean except the stuff on the floor. And then we have our light fixture. And I'm not sure if it's in the video, but I do end up changing the light fixture to some the ceiling lights, like the pendant lights on either side of the windows. But I'll show that as a still picture. It didn't. I don't think it made the video cut because I think I thought about it way after the fact. So I also got these laundry products. So that's my representation of a glass jar of bleach because we don't want the packaging in the nice cozy laundry room. We have to have things in glass jars and labeled, right? I didn't get to label anything. Oh, and then the laundry sign, I just created that with a font. And yeah, my mind was thinking to take the art groupings and put them behind the washing machine, but I forgot that there was that shelf there. So yeah, that didn't quite work out. And plus, we don't have sidewalls because this is 2D. So I couldn't have utilized any other space in that room for those picture groupings, but I made them work. Y'all gonna see. So I created a dryer sheet pack. It says dryer. I think it's hilarious. It says dryer or something like that. It's like, is this French? But I'm gonna go with it. I will go with it. And I'm just placing the laundry products throughout the little space. This is a quick room. It actually was it at 30-minute filming, and of course I speed things up. So that gives I sped it up 2 times, so it's just 15 minutes or so. 15 minutes and 19 seconds. Not bad, not bad, y'all. I'm getting better. And that's one of the rugs. Oh, I love that circle rug. Now, I was getting confused on why everything was coming in skewed like that, but I'm thinking it's because of the page itself. So this is a nice laundry room now. I mean, it's real cozy. It's like modern, high fashion, but quaint. You ain't mad to come up in here and do your laundry, fold it. Shoot, grab a bench and get to folding, right? That's what the table's there for. Why my brain don't think about stuff until it actually needs to think about it? Because I wasn't thinking about none of this last night when I was placing the items in this room. But I'm like, okay, now that the table's making sense because I felt like it didn't make sense. But that's the folding table. So we're going to place our sweater piles, our sweater stacks, and then another sweater stack. I'm gonna put that over here on the table. Now I did move a lot of things after I filmed this. Like the jeans didn't end up staying on top of the washer on the counter there, and what else didn't end up? Well, that was it. And I kind of moved the shirt stack over and things like that. So what am I placing? Okay, so that's the bench. Like I said, grab a bench and sit down and fold your clothes, right? I don't know why Goodness was doing that because I don't recall making the screen glitch like that. Okay, so see what I did with this grouping of art? I just stuck it in the shelf area because I'm like, oh, I really want to use these in this space. They will look cute on the wall, but I think they do a job here. And it just ties in the red and the black in the wallpaper, right? You know, brings in the red from the vase, the flower arrangement. Yeah. I'm good at this. And my mind has been creating all these little elements, literally. My mind. I type it out and I hit a button and I wait for it to bring me what I asked for. I don't know. I don't do magic or believe in it, but it's like instantaneous gratification. So on this shelf, I'm going to put 3 bottles of that bleach, just like a I can't talk today. A representation of decoration, decor, and it looks good there. And also, this didn't make the video, but the two shelves on the side of the washer and dryer, I ended up putting one of the mason jars in each of the little cubbies. So that was more of a decor thing. But I did it after the fact, and yeah, kind of wish I would have got it in there. So I'm borrowing from my sticker books. Yeah. Oh, does it make it? Oh, I hope it makes it. I think it does make it. Yep. Okay. So now you see, I did change the light. I didn't know if it made it. I was like, no, it's not going to work there because it's covering up my glass bottles. I want those to be seen. It's kind of like a little focal point. So I will be moving these to the side and then I will duplicate that and put one on the other side. Ta-da! That's cute, right? I like it. It's lovely. And did I try something else? I was looking. I don't think I need it. Oh, and I grabbed the girl with the red sweater because she fits the room. Get her right. Get her right. I think I do end up moving that pile of clothes to the bench in this video. I'm kind of hoping I do because I want them to be clean clothes ready to be put away. I should have put a kid in here. Like, girl, you got to put these clothes away. Yep, I do move the pile of clothes to the bench. Let's see. Well, I must be thinking about something. Ain't no movement. What are we doing now? I think that was it. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cozy art journal with me walkthrough of a black and red and white themed laundry room. I will be shooting more videos. Also, don't forget, pick up this kit in my Etsy shop. The link will be in the description. And I think that's all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit your notification button so you know when I drop another video. And I will see you guys on the flip side. You have a wonderful day and the rest of your week. Bye.